Okay, just going to do a quick little review here for the Lanmu power adapter for the Arlo cameras. And I've had these for a while. In fact, I was an adopter of the camera before these, the Arlo cameras. I mean, the View Zone cameras. And so I upgraded to these, and I've been really happy. But depending on the batteries I get, they last different amounts of time, from like 1 month to 3 months. To one set of batteries actually lasted, I don't know, 8 months or something. I don't remember which those were. But what I did this time, when it was time to buy new batteries, because I have 4 of these cameras, was the cost of these CR123 batteries that they use has gone up a lot. I mean, they're just expensive. So I found this dealie here, and it's a power adapter, and what it is a little thing that looks like the 4 batteries. It's shaped the same way as the 4 batteries that go into the camera. Oops, I left one in there to remind me to tell you that these batteries are kind of magnetized. They get stuck in there with magnets, and they're kind of hard to pull out. And that's why I left one in there, was to make that notation. All right. And one of the things to remember is that the back of these cameras, it's a magnetic mount. So the batteries, everything you have around that might stick to magnets gets stuck to it. Okay, we're going to flip this open. We drop this in. Inside of the camera here, it shows we're positive and negative. These are the little nodes here are the positive ones. So I want to put it in so that the positive is pointing down, just like the little drawings inside are. And then we go ahead and we shut this guy, and it just snaps right over. And this little cable that comes off the back is so thin that that it fits in that crack there, and so that's pretty cool. Then now the one that I got, it came with a bunch of bends and kinks in it already. I don't know if all of them are like this, or my package was used, or what, but it hasn't affected the way it worked. So so there you go. So this is kind of neat. And then basically, this is what we used to call a wall wart. We're going to undo that, and I'm going to go ahead and plug that in. And then this guy plugs right into this guy. Right, so they just go together, and then that starts the thing up. Now, there's an accessory that is an extension cord. It has this fitting at one end and this at the other, and it's about 10 or 12 feet long, and you plug it in, and that gives you the ability to move the camera farther away from the power supply. But there we go, this thing's on, and you can probably see the blue light is on, showing that it's operational. And oh yeah, there it is. So you know, it's pretty neat. Now that I can still mount this guy, everything still works the same. My only restriction is that I have you know, about a foot of this flat cable, and that would have to go through a window frame or whatever, and that's why it can be bent. So mount it somewhere and tape it down so that it doesn't keep getting flexed and caught in the same place if you open and close windows or what have you. Okay, it's pretty neat. It works fine, and I recommend it. Thanks for